Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we gather to celebrate 12th Rabiul, the birth of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His life was a role model of justice and kindness, teaching us to live with